Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add avatar stickers to your Instagram stories. So press this plus button, so press add to story, and then I'm just going to select a random picture of this calculator. I'm just going to fill it in with a different color like this. Then go to stickers and then go to avatar and choose the avatar sticker that you like. Click on it and just put it on the story. I think you can add more than just one, as you can see. But yeah, that is basically it. It is super simple, but I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!